This is one-way demonstration of the autonomous traffic light. I got three sensors set up. The middle one signifies the trip A sensor, the left one signifies the count A sensor, and the right one signifies the count B sensor. And so I've got all hooked to a single Arduino. I've got them all outputting data. They all output their different various measurements, which is the inches variables, and then I've got ready A, running A, count A, and count B. And so with running A equals 0, the count sensor really doesn't matter. Nothing really changes. No lights changes. And if I show you back here, count A is still at 0. And so what happens is if you have a car pull up to the trip sensor, which is the middle one, I'm going to come into the table to trip it. You can see it change from red to green. And the count sensor is now ready to count. And you've got a count of 1 for the trip. And so now, as I wave my hand past it a couple times here, you can now see that count is at 5. And then as the count increases, that should be 6, 7, and then at 8. There we go, 8. It changes to yellow. 9, 10. Sometimes it can't register my hand because it goes by so fast, but at 10 cars, it turned red, and you can see I've got a count A of 10. But say there's someone that can't wait, they have to get to wherever they're going, so they say you got, let's say, 1 more and 2 more people that ran the red light just to get through. So now you got a count A of 12, and you got a count B of 0. So as the cars start exiting, see if I can show you. I'm going to trip my count B sensor a couple times here. So you can see count B is working just fine. And so as I go with count B, 6, 7, 8, 9, count B, and in this closed space really messes with the ultrasonic, so I do need to do some outside testing. I think that the sound waves might also mess with each other since they're so close. But right now count B's at, let's see here, 9, and count A is at 12 still, and A is still running. So let's get count B to 10, and that was 11, and then last one here, show you that count A goes back to 0, count B goes back to 0, running A is no longer 1, and everything's back to its original state it started in. And so we're at a red light, nothing's going to mess with the count sensor here. I can't really do anything to mess with that. And then again I can go and trip and start the whole process over again. So it's just a short demonstration of how this is going to work.